Hi amiga, welcome back to my channel. My name is Niobe, for those of you who are new, and for all my girlies returning, hey friend, I miss you guys so much. And today we are doing a beautiful foxy brown mocha fall glamorous eye makeup look. As you can see, I just did mine and I'm getting ready to go out for Howard homecoming weekend. I'm so excited because my friend got us a table at Park 14. It's a really nice club in DC, and so we are going for brunch. And then we're probably just gonna hang out and see where the day takes us. But I was just so excited to do a really pretty brown fall sultry makeup look. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the familia down below. I do love to post a lot of makeup tutorials, and I'm getting more and more into them the more you guys ask me to. I think I did a really bomb look today. I'm extremely happy with it, and I feel like whatever pictures I take are gonna look fire. And make sure you follow me on Instagram because I will be posting my outfit details on there. So if you guys love what I have on, I have a really pretty red ruffle dress as well as some beautiful earrings. All right, let's get started on this makeup tutorial. So first, I'm gonna start off with the YoutForia Pregame Primer. This stuff feels absolutely amazing and it's super hydrating. I love to prep my skin with this. Then I follow up with the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation in the color Neutral 12. OMG, if you want your makeup base to look like skin, Charlotte Tilbury is the way to go. Her foundation feels so good on my skin. And I'm always getting complimented on my makeup whenever I step out with a base full of Charlotte. And we are going to jump in with the Ilia Beauty Skin Rewind Complexion Stick. This is in the shade 28, and this is such a great complexion stick. I love to use this to highlight my face. Honestly, love the texture of it. I have been using it now for, let's say, almost 3 months, and again, I get a lot of compliments on my overall base, and this is something I do love to use. I did get this in PR and I was absolutely obsessed with it. I am very mindful with how much I put on my forehead because I don't want to expand my forehead out. And I'm going to add the Clinique Even Better All Over Concealer just to add a little bit more highlight to my under eye. I just like that little extra pop under there, especially on days that I didn't get enough sleep. But even then, I really love it for pictures. I feel like it really illuminates that particular area. And I always feel like the eyes are the most beautiful part of a look. Oh, and I'm very careful with how much product I put on my face. Now it is time to go in with the Ilia Beauty Skin Rewind Complexion Stick. This is the different shade. This is 37N. It's a deeper shade. I absolutely love to use this shade to contour my face. Oh my goodness. It just gives this really warm, beachy, tanned look to my face that I absolutely love. And again, the formula just feels absolutely amazing on my skin. It's very hydrating and it just brings more life back into my face. I really love the texture of it. It has this thick buttery texture to it. So I like to go in, I place it all over my forehead, my nose, and my jawline, as well as my cheekbones, and I just blend. A lot of this is just a lot of blending. I like to take my time with it just to make sure that everything is blended out correctly and still looks like skin at the end of the day. And I like to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Sun-Kissed Glow Bronzer. OMG, this bronzer is absolutely love. Oh my goodness, this is in the color Tan. This is a really pretty color. We will be going in with 2 colors just to add a little bit more depth. And now we're going to go in with a deeper glow bronzer. I absolutely love going in with 2 bronzers, like I said before, just to add a little bit more depth. And I'm going back in the same areas and making sure that I blend that out. I tap on the transitions just to make sure everything is smooth. Now it is time to set. I have been using the Zeesea collaboration with the British Museum. Their translucent powder is super perf. I like to carry it around with me. because I am someone who tends to get very oily in her T-zone. And I make sure that I have enough powder on the pad when I press it into my skin. I like to get the eyebrows because, again, if you've been watching my videos, then you know like my eyebrows like to sweat and those can really ruin a picture. The next thing I like to apply is my NARS Orgasm Beach Cheek Palette. Oh my goodness. I like to put on the red rosy color on my cheeks. It's like one of my faves. And yeah, I like to just apply that generously. I am definitely a big blush girl if you haven't already noticed. And now it is time to go in with the Refy Beauty Topaz highlighter. I had a little bit of highlighter. Not too much, just because like I just like to be a little more mindful when it comes to my highlighters, and I just put that around my eye area. I also like to apply it on my nose, on the tip of my nose and my bridge. So now we are gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Waves in the shade Ebony. Now, I absolutely love the Brow Wiz. I was using the brow definer before, but because my brows are so thick now, I have started to fall in love with the Brow Wiz, which is more for like the details in the brow rather than like creating the actual brow. And I like to brush them out, then pencil in any spots that are missing. Next, I'm going to go in with the YoutForia Makeup Pregame Skin Moisturizing Setting Spray. I absolutely love the setting spray. It is so hydrating and it is one of my faves. Now let's do a little bit of eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Naked Heat Eyeshadow Palette. The first color that I'm going in with is the Low Blow shade. This is a more like natural tan, close to my color kind of shade. I like to put that as a base before I add anything else. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Cayenne, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in my crease. I use a very thin fluffy brush just to get the angle right. I don't like it to be all over the place, and I find that when you are more particular about the brushes that you use, you don't really like create a muddy effect. It's more precise. So I definitely recommend getting specific brushes for your eyeshadow. I will actually leave a link to the brushes that I am currently using and falling in love with. Okay, so now we are gonna go in with a deeper shade, which is called Ashes. I absolutely love this color. This is a really pretty deep dark ashy brown, and I just really love how it brings depth to the eye. Next, you're gonna make sure to flush the color out just so that there's like a blended type of vibe to it. I don't really like when there's like a harsh stop to eyeshadow, so I just grabbed a fresh clean brush and I just decided to like flush everything up and out. Next, we're going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Luxury Palette, and this is going to be the sparkly shade that you see on the bottom left. I absolutely love this palette. I love the color, and so I just went ahead and I applied it to the beginning part of my lid, up to the middle part. Really love how beautiful and magical this looks. I just feel like overall Charlotte gives that vibe in all her palettes. I went ahead and grabbed the dark brown from the Charlotte Tilbury Super Nudes palette to create a almost smoky like effect, which you will see in a second. I like to apply it right on my eye and create almost like a winged effect. Then I'm going to grab a clean brush and smoke it out. This is what I feel like creates that really sultry, sexy vixen kind of effect, which I really love when I do this look. This is like the most gorgeous, sultry, sexy, effortless like fall look. I am here for it. Now we are going to go in with the Ardell Wispy Lashes. I think I just bought these at Ulta. I really love wispy lashes. That's just my personal preference. I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpting, Lengthening, and Volumizing Mascara. Love this mascara. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys follow me on TikTok, but I had mentioned on my TikTok that I have never been a mascara girly up until I met this mascara. Now I am a mascara girly. Now I understand the hype and the love for mascara. Like, this mascara does wonders. It's absolutely beautiful. The formula is freaking fabulous. It just makes my lashes look super long and beautiful without even a lash on. So now I'm going to go in with a brown lip liner and line my lips. I'm not married to any lip liner, honestly. And I'm actually using an eyeliner to do this because I could not find my brown lip liner. So whatever you guys have is fine. Now we are going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Big Lip Plumpgasm Plumping Lip Gloss. Oh my god, this is literally one of my favorite lip glosses on the market right now. It has like this tingling effect that just plumps up your lips. I like to grab a flat brush and blend out my lip liner so that everything just looks effortless and cohesive. And that is the look. Alright, my loves, so I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. It was a super easy tutorial to break down. I hope you guys enjoy it, wear it, take pictures, tag me, let me know how it looks on you. Comment down below what look you want to see next. I am super excited. I know Halloween is coming up, so I am excited to see like what I'm gonna do with my Halloween costumes. Gotta order those like this week because Halloween is literally like a few days away. But you know, Halloween for the girls is like a national holiday. So I need to order my Halloween costumes, if not today, tomorrow, and figure out bomb looks to do. And then hopefully I'll be sharing a makeup tutorial on whatever looks I decide. But if you guys have any ideas or if you want to see certain things from me next, comment down below, subscribe to the family, follow me on Instagram for my outfit details, and I'll talk to you girlies very soon. Bye.